In this video, I want to basically explain how to become a successful YouTuber, creator of any sorts on any platform that you embark your journey on. Why am I not doing it? Other issues, other reasons. I have a business to run and I'm more focused on building something without being the face of it at the moment. But it's simple. Let's look at what is the most important metric on any platform. Basically, it's watch time. So let's look at the increase in watch time over the years on YouTube, for example. 2019, we had 39.7 minutes. Then we had 43.7 minutes, 45 minutes, 46.2 minutes. So we see a steady increase going all the way to 48.7 minutes in 2024. Now, why is watch time so important for companies? It means people are consuming your content and are staying on the platform, which in turn generates more revenue, which in turn makes it more likely for you to see ads, which in turn makes it more likely for you to click off and click to another video and stay on the platform and stay and give them more data of yourself. But there's one very important thing that you're missing. Now, if you want to be a creator, from the creator side, it's easier than ever. Figure out how to create something that keeps people's attention, that keeps people on the platform, and that keeps people wanting to keep clicking on your videos. Mr. Beast always explains with the thumbnails. Mr. Beast always talks about creating certain eye-catchy thumbnails, not too much, not putting too much in the thumbnails, then having a switch and it cuts every 5 seconds or something interesting or a storyline. All of these come back to the same thing, which is watch time. What is watch time? Watch time is the total amount of time that viewers spend watching a channel's video. You can do it on any platform and basically just tailor your videos to generate the most watch time, and the platform will start pushing you and pushing your content. Now, how do some people do this? From a creator's perspective, they create series. Why series? Because it's sort of like a Netflix series, sort of like a TV show, which keeps you hooked and which keeps you engaged. How do you create series? That's up to you. That's up to your passions. That's up to what you want to do. But create a storyline within the series that makes people want to watch multiple videos of you or of the creator that we're talking about. Now, from the creator perspective, this is how you basically do it. How you become successful. You have to stay consistent, create value, and create content that people want to consume and want to watch until the end. Your only metric that you should be focusing on is trying to get 100% watch time. Because I can for sure guarantee that if you have videos and all of your videos have a watch time of 100%, that no matter who clicks on your video wants to watch it until the end, or at least 90%, you're going to blow up so fast. So if you're a creator, sit down and really think about what interests people. But not just what interests people, but what could be interesting about you. And one way to do it is maybe look back at your history, look back at your life. What draws people to you? What makes you interesting? Do you walk into a room and catch people's attention? So it might be something about you physically. Do you make people laugh? It might be something about you comedically. Are you a very interesting person to talk to? Do people trust in you? Create something around that. Really take your strength. Not everyone can do everything. Everyone is special in their own way. And if you figure out your own way, you can create something based off that intertwines with people's interests and makes it relatable. Now, why do I believe that watch time and what makes someone successful on YouTube is also the number one drive killer? for everyone else is because people and all of these companies are competing for your watch time, which means are competing for your time, which means time that you could be working on something else. Back in the day, before YouTube was there, I'm sure people were a lot more successful and a lot more focused. Why? Because they did not have constant distractions everywhere that they looked. Now you can take your phone, you can be distracted for hours. Someone could lock you in a room and you would sit between four walls and someone could give you a phone and you would manage to spend the time. Now, imagine back in the day someone did the same thing to you and you had no phone. You didn't even know what it was. You would pass your time probably calculating. You would be bored. And in boredom, you find creativity. So whether you want to be a creator and want to be successful, figure out how to steal people's time. And if you don't, and if you want to be successful in another way, for example, creating a business, in education, or whatever it is, learn how to keep your time. Now, like I say every video, I've helped many businesses turn from zero to profit or turn around. I've helped many startup founders get off the ground, find their target, find their demographic, penetrate the market, position themselves. So if you have a startup idea, or if you have a business or an established business and you want a consultation, you'll find my link in the description. And yeah, looking forward to the next video. I'll see you then.